Gender-based violence happens everywhere, often unseen. But can people and society do something for it? How change is possible through awareness and action.
Matagal ka na po bang nakakaranas ng pang-aabuso?
Nung una, wala naman pong problema sa amin. Masaya po, sagana naman kami. Pero nung nawalan siya ng trabaho, nagbago na po ang lahat nang ako na nag-provide sa amin.
Bakit ayaw niyo po magsumbong?
Para po sa anak ko, kaya ko pong tiisin ang lahat.
Bitawan mo ko, kuya! Ayoko po, kuya.
Ay, miss, gusto mo bang sumama sa akin?
Bitawan mo ko, kuya!
Mabilis lang to, miss. Sumama ka na sa akin.
Ayoko.
Even in a place we consider safe, violence can still happen.
Okay, that's it. Class dismissed. Except for you, Miss Poliente. Actually, matagal na kitang inoobserbahan sa klase. Magaling ka. Nakakita ka sa klase. Sinasabi ka sa mga bibilis. May gusto kang i-access. Masisilaw mo. Magaling ka. May gusto kang i-access.
Para po sa anak ko. Bitawan mo ko, kuya!
Magaling ka.
Violence and abuse affect people of all genders. Ikaw,
Ako!
tayo,
Every person, regardless of their gender identity, deserves to live in an environment where they are valued, respected, and empowered to thrive.
time to create a society where respect, equality, and safety are the foundation for all.
Achieving true equality demands from individual, institutions, and governments. But change starts within us. We must work together to break the barriers, amplify marginalized voices, and ensure equal access. to resources, opportunities, and justice. By ending harmful stereotypes, supporting one another, we can build an inclusive environment where everyone has the opportunity to thrive.
Together, we can break the cycle of violence and ensure dignity and opportunity for all.